everyone, and welcome back to Relaxing English with Phanit. And today's video is on verbs in the subjunctive. The subjunctive mood is a unique part of English grammar used to express wishes, demands, and necessities, often in formal contexts. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to recognize and use the subjunctive with confidence. Let's get started. The subjunctive mood is all about expressing hypothetical or non-factual situations. Unlike typical verb forms, the subjunctive uses the base form of the verb, like be or by, without changes for tense or subject. For example, we say, I suggest she be honest, not she is honest. It's commonly found in formal language, such as legal documents, demands, or strong recommendations. Certain verbs require the subjunctive because they imply urgency or necessity. Verbs like demand, insist, propose, and suggest are classic examples. For instance, the manager insisted that the report be finished by noon. Notice how be stays in its base form, even though the subject, report, is singular. These verbs act as signals. When you see them, think subjunctive. Phrases like it is essential that or it is vital that also trigger the subjunctive. These expressions emphasize importance or urgency. For example, it is crucial that the data be accurate. Here, be doesn't change to is, even though data is singular. These constructions are common in formal writing, like policies or academic work. Beyond demands and suggestions, verbs like advise, require, and stipulate also call for the subjunctive. For example, the rules stipulate that all participants wear safety gear. Even though participants is plural, the verb wear stays in its base form. These verbs often appear in rules, contracts, or instructions, anywhere precision matters. The subjunctive can also be negative or passive. For negatives, just add not before the base verb. She requested that they not share the details. For passives, use be plus past participle. The committee asked that the proposal be reviewed by Friday. These forms keep the subjunctive's formal tone while adding nuance. To recap, the subjunctive uses the base form of the verb after specific verbs, insist, suggest, or expressions. It is vital. It's essential for formal demands, rules, and wishes. Now, try constructing your own sentence, like, the teacher demanded that the homework be submitted on time. Ready to test your understanding? Let's discuss. Thanks for joining me on this grammar adventure. You're now officially a subjunctive pro. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!